Innovation is one of the buzzwords in business. But what does it really mean? Simply put, innovation in business means doing something new, different, smarter or better that will make a positive difference. Innovation doesn't have to be a groundbreaking, world-changing invention, although of course it's great when this happens. More often, it's the smaller things, those changes you need to make to keep your business moving forward. It covers every aspect of your business, from your products, designs and services, to your technology and business processes. So why should your business innovate? Well, businesses that innovate are more productive and often grow twice as fast as those that don't. You could become more competitive, increase your turnover, and reach new markets. But how do you start thinking innovatively? Start here. Take a good look at your business, its current state, forecasts and plans. Now imagine your business in 5 or 10 years' time. Do you like what you see? If you've imagined your business performing better by, for example, offering different products and services to different customers, think about where these are going to come from. Alternatively, look at the environment around you. Advances in digital technologies are creating new opportunities to innovate. There are major challenges in areas like health, climate change and food security waiting for new solutions. Could your business capitalize on this? Talk to your employees, customers and suppliers. They know your business better than anyone. Tap into this knowledge. Thinking creatively and acting upon your ideas could lift your business above the competition. But we know that ideas are one thing, doing something with them is another. And that's where we come in. If you have ideas that could give your business a competitive edge, it's time to talk to us about funding and support for innovation. Our experienced specialists are here to help you on your innovation journey, taking that initial idea and turning it into a finished product. We can help you find out if your project is viable, support your development prototypes, enable you to work with experts in universities and colleges, and show you how to protect your ideas. We can also help you introduce the latest techniques and technologies in design and manufacturing to really give your business a boost.